guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be opening this LOL doll thing. So let me show you. Yep. Fuzzy pet. Sorry that you guys can't see that well. If you guys can see right here. There I am. Sorry guys. I'm not doing well. Can you guys see it? Okay. We're first going. First, we're going to be doing this. Oh shoot! Sorry, guys. There's not some good lighting, but let's start. If my nails can even open this. Whoa! Okay. Whoa. If you guys cannot see, I'm sorry. Are you guys good? Yeah. Tell me if you guys know what this is. Sorry if my phone this means. Okay, comment down below. Okay. Let's open the second layer. Whoa. It didn't go all the way across like I was wanting to. Oh, and I want to tell you guys something. Today, when we were coming back from the store, we actually seen someone running away from the cops. And it was a red truck, and the police were chasing him or her. We don't know. No pointing fingers. Oh, you should point fingers. But, yeah. I think I just broke it. Nope, I didn't. Whoa, look at all those surprises. Whoa, that's a cool bathtub. Really cool bathtub right there. And this is a cap I dropped. Comment section down below what you think I got. I'm gonna look at the checklist real quick because I've never had one of these. Okay, guys. Woo! Okay. I think I got an owl or a hamster. Comment down below, or the monkey. Monkey's also a possibility. Okay, let's put this open. Wait, no, not that one. Let's not jump right onto that. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm pretty sure I know who we got. Whoa, this is our bag. Let me grab my scissors. I got an owl. I wonder which one I got. Got a milk thing. Want to see this? Why are all these bags so hard for me? Got this thing. Does this give you any hints of this? Okay, let's see what we got. Whoa, look how fuzzy it is. Well, let's go to the bathroom and go clean it up. Oh, I have to open the place also. Let's go to our bathroom. Sorry if I have bad camera camera angle. I just had to walk to our bathroom. Sorry that you heard a customer back there. But let me leave you guys right there. And turn on the lights. Sorry guys. This is bad angle. Comment down below if I have horrible camera angle. Because I think I do. Let me go get some water. Okay. Here it is. Or you probably guys want to watch it, don't you? Okay, let me go get some. Let me get this. This is my cat's watering dish, actually. Ready? And now you guys probably want to see this. I'll get some more water. Whoa. You don't want to make a mess in my mom's bathroom. I'll come back when it's done. So.
Given that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they apologize.